Did you know someone can track your location just by calling you on WhatsApp? Sounds crazy, right? Yeah, but it's real. I'm about to show you exactly how to stop it and keep your privacy safe. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so you first open your WhatsApp. You select on the three dots at your top right corner of your page. You select settings. You click on privacy. You scroll down to the bottom of your page. You select advanced. Turn on protect IP address in calls. After, you turn on disable link previews to stop any third party from locating you. You click back to account. Select security notification. Turn on security notification. This is how to stop people from tracking your location through WhatsApp.